Hi there, SwissCan and all the rest of you good people out there. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that health is with you. Regarding your question on excluding parts from to be calculated in wage management, I think the simple solution would be just to assign an asserted value. Now you seem to have had some difficulties, so I will just shortly demonstrate. On the screen we have a gearbox. We have run a calculation here, so we see that there is weight to this thing, and currently we have the total weight of 273 kilos with the default steel, and to the top front case here we have assigned an iron 40 material. Now that is done on the part level down here for accuracy and for upstream usage. Now we do not want this for some reason to be part of the calculation. It could be that it is kind of like in your case a weld component that is actually being welded into the upper level. Now there is obviously several ways of doing this, but I assume that you have this part linked to the upper level, and hence you do not want that to be part of your calculation. Now the easy way would be to assign an asserted value here and say that that is 0, meaning that it will not be taking part of the calculation, or actually will, but with a 0 value. So if we go to analysis, we see that we got the mass properties. That is what we will be using. So we will say show mass property panel, and down here if I click on that little guy down there, we should have the mass properties showing up there. Now, it is in this specific assembly we want to kind of exclude the front case here. So within the assembly context, we will now exclude this guy here. So we mark that part down there, and we see that we have down here 2 columns. One is source and one is from design. And then you have asserted or user-defined values if you should like. Now, I'm going to use the asserted, and I'm going to say 0 there, enter. And then I'm going to set this component with this component here selected. I will say that I want the asserted value to be part of this calculation now. And we're going to see what happens up here. It's now excluded from the summary and the top level there, so it's no longer calculated. Also that little guy there, say I'm asserted property in the mass status, that could be good to have in there as well to show what parts are asserted values and what are not, especially when you have the weight management panel hidden like that. So we can see it's no longer contributing. I hope that helps in your future endeavors, and with that, I'm going to leave you for today. So all the good people out there, take care, be safe, and above all, stay healthy. Over and out from Fred. Bye for now.